how to calculate the duration of a journey in GIS. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can calculate the duration of a journey in GIS. So how do you go about this? The first step is to launch the GIS application on your device, and then once you've done that, the bottom part of the screen, pull up the box, and then the next step would be for you to search the location, the place that you're going to. So you can search this out by entering in your starting point and your destination. Once you've done that, choose the routes you want to take from the list of options provided by the app. Then the app will display the estimated travel time for your selected route. It's as simple as that. Or instead, you can calculate the duration of a journey by calculating the distance, the number of kilometers or meters between your starting point and your destination. And how do you calculate the number of meters? Pull down the box. Then the next step would be for you to move to the top right corner of the screen. There's usually a ruler icon here, all right, but it is location based. If it's available your location, you'll see a ruler icon there. You click on the ruler icon and then tap on the map, zoom in the map to see the exact place you're going to, then tap on your starting point as well as your destination point. Then the number of kilometers between those points would be displayed, and then from there you can now calculate the duration of time that a journey will take you into GIS. So this is how to go about it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.